Hello friends, today in this video we will show about how to get verified account on Twitter. Please watch this full video to learn whole process. Now let's get started. First of all, open Twitter app on your device. Once you are here, then tap on your Twitter profile at the left top corner. Next here, tap on Help Center. This would open more settings. But here, if you can't find more options, then go back to home screen. Now, open any web browser on your device. So, here we go. Now we'll go to search and search for Help Twitter Impersonation. Here, tap on first block at the top of the screen. Report an account for impersonation. Now here select first option. That would open more options. Next, again select first option. Now you will need to go to Twitter app. Now here check the username which is similar to you. Next, you will need to write the username which is similar to you. So now again go to web browser. Here, write the username in username of the account you are reporting, so that Twitter team will find that user. Next here, enter your email address. Next here, you will need to write a note which I will mention. Please watch this note carefully and then enter. So the note is, I want to make sure my followers know that this is my real account and that any accounts using my username or claiming to be representing my company are not legitimate. So I should like my account to be verified. After submit this request, you will get response from Twitter app. Please make sure the information which you are filling is correct. After type the whole note, tap on submit. Now you will get response from Twitter support team. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.